How to make a Snapchat group chat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can make a group chat on Snapchat. Now it's quite easy and simple, so let me guide you. First, what you want to do is open up the Snapchat app. You'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is head into chats by tapping on the chat icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now, to create a chat, what you can do is tap on a little chat icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see that the blue icon, just tap on it, and here you can see a new group option. Simply tap on new group, and here you'll be able to create a new group name. I just create a group name here, how to apps, and then you can select the number of users that you want to add or select the friends that you want to add to your group chat, and then simply tap on chat with group and the group will be created. Now I'll just create a quick group here with just the 2 users here. Tap on chat with group and you can see the group will be created, and you can just text here. So this way you can create a group chat on Snapchat app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.